We've got a delivery and an announcement for you today. The delivery is in a Built Hamber box, but it's not Built Hamber. The announcement will save you money, maybe on Built Hamber, maybe on other things, but either way, we'll get into it right here, right now on the Golf Diaries. So hello and welcome back to the Golf Diaries. Slightly different video today, not the normal kind of thing we do, and also I'm using the GoPro, so if the sound's a bit off and you're on a selfie stick, so if the sound's a bit off, that's why I'm still learning the camera. But really I just wanted to do a very quick video whilst I'm currently videoing the next one to come out, which will be about Garage Therapy and Decon, which hopefully you'll be interested to. Hopefully that's going to be interesting. I haven't finished recording it yet, but so far it seems quite interesting. That will be coming out in the next couple of days. But whilst I'm waiting to do that, this arrived, and it reminded me that actually I needed to tell you guys about this. So today I've had a delivery from Clean and Shiny. Now, as I said, it's in a Built Hamber box, but there's not actually any Built Hamber in it. But I will show you very, very quickly what is in it. Also got some products down there which are up for review. This one actually is, that's a great bird poop remover. So I'm thinking about doing a video, but quite how visually stimulating bird poop removal will be, well, who knows? We'll give it a go, see what happens. So I'll show you first of all what's in the box, and then I'll tell you all about how you can save some money with the guys from Clean and Shiny, who have very kindly decided to partner us at the Golf Diaries as we try and build this community. So anyway, no further ado, let's get into here. Now I am doing this on the hoof, so don't knock the place down, Mark. So it may all go horribly wrong, but we'll give it a go. So in here we have the Platinum Pluffle, and this is a really, really nice microfiber. It kind of doubles up as a drying towel, but also I tend to use it for quick detailers. It's really soft, it's lovely actually. And these are the smaller ones. I've got a larger Platinum Pluffle down there, but I'm thinking that they're ideal for applying this raindrops. So that's the plan there. But yeah, really nice Rag Company Platinum Pluffle. What else have we got in here? Some of this stuff is just refills, really, of stuff I use a lot of, and then others will be for review for you guys. So there we go. Now, forgive me, guys, because the camera's gone all dark, so I've got no idea what you can see, but hopefully you can see what I can see. And that is some more Garage Therapy Quick Detailer. I go through gallons of that stuff. And this, the IK sprayer, the one that works upside down. I've never quite worked out why you'd want to work it upside down, but hey ho, I'll have a play, see what I think. And that will basically be for that. And then other stuff, we've got some more Garage Therapy Decon. Again, got through quite a lot of that. Some Garage Therapy Snowfoam. And then a couple of products I'm going to review for you. This is the Koch Chemie KCX, delete as appropriate, gummy fix. So ideal for obviously cleaning rubbers without leaving a slippery finish. So things like car mats and everything, absolutely perfect. And then in here, just getting rid of all this packaging, I love this stuff. Now, if you're a regular to the channel, you know I do like a quick detailer. It's sad, knock everything about, Mark, well done. See, I told you this on the hoof. Never ask a man to do two things at once, talk and move things around. It's way too complicated. Excuse me. Normally I'd edit that cough out, but this is off the hoof, so you're going to keep the cough. So this is the P&S Paint Gloss Showroom Spray and Shine. Really, really nice quick detailer, which Martin at Obsessive Car Detailer put me onto that in a comment that he left on one of my videos. And I have to say, he's right, it's a really good product. Now, I am going to do a video on that because it's got a really nice party trick. Obviously, my main quick detailer of choice is the Garage Therapy, but this has got a little party trick which no other quick detailer I've tried seems to have. So, intrigued? Stay tuned. So that was today's delivery, and I'm learning so much about this camera. The screen goes blank. I've got no idea what you just saw. So when I start to edit this a little later on, I could end up just with a blank screen. So apologies if all you can see is the wall. Maybe an improvement over seeing me, but anyway, Let's move on. So, Clean and Shiny. I'm really pleased that these guys, these are kind of one of my retailers of choice and have been for some time. We're blessed in the detailing world. We've got lots of really cool retailers that kind of serve our hobby. Yeah, Clean and Shiny have been my kind of retailer of choice for some time, and I'm delighted to say that they have come on board with the Golf Diaries, and they want to offer you 5% off all your purchases across all their wide range of brands, of which you've just seen a very small sample. And in return, they will match that by giving me a little bit of credit to buy review product to talk to you about and to provide, produce content for the channel. So really huge thank you to Clean and Shiny. As time of recording though, I have to say it's Easter 2024. They've got an even better offer. They're giving away 15% right now over Easter, so perhaps use that one, you'll be better off. But after that, if you use Golf Diary 5, which should be on the screen now, you'll get 5% off every purchase. And as I said, Clean and Shiny will kindly give me credit to the same amount for product to review for you. So I really appreciate that. We're trying to grow the channel. I'm trying to find ways of adding extra value for you and make this a bit more of a community as opposed to just some random bloke stood in a tin shed, sheltering from the rain, talking to you about absolute nonsense sometimes. Hopefully you find some of it beneficial. Anyway, lots more to come. As I said, stay tuned for that Garage Therapy Decon video. I'm not going to do many of these off the hoof type videos. I'm just kind of playing with a new camera, and I thought this delivery was too good an opportunity to miss. So I'll shut up. I'll let you get on with your day. Bye for now. Stay safe. See you soon.